Hey everybody, how are you doing? Welcome to the kitchen at Friendship Shaving. I bought something on eBay and I really wanted to share it with you. What I've got in here is fantastic. It's fantastic. So here we go. I've opened up the envelope. It was in an envelope. I've slit the tape on the box, so we're just ready to go like this. That's it, bit of packing, nice little box. And in here I've got a vintage Gillette razor. Can you guess what it is yet? Here we have a leatherette case with Gillette written on it. Trying to remember if it is snake skin or something else. I'll have to get back to you on that one. But inside this lovely case, let me look at the look at the metal around there. It's all perfect, perfectly chromed. After all these years, and I say that because this is from 1958/59, and it is a Gillette number 66 set. And there we are. There is the razor and a dispenser case. Look at the back here, it's immaculate. It's immaculate. There is a little bit of, looks like dirt, a tiny bit of something there. I don't know if that is just wear, but certainly everything else is immaculate. Oh, here we go. This is just a little chromed cover for the normal style case. And that does just slide out to there. I won't take it any further out. And here we have a beautiful rhodium plated razor. My goodness, it's in great condition. And that is, it's not loose or anything. It's super smooth. It has been used. I know you maybe wouldn't believe it from what you're seeing, but a gentleman said that he looked after it. It has been used occasionally, which is exactly what I shall do with it. I shall use it occasionally. It's got a rounded base, so I'm not going to be able to stand it. And this was the clincher. It's got the directions for use, which all unfold. And it's so rare to see these. The little price tag, Gillette number 66 set, 31 shillings, including P-tax. P-tax, I wonder what that is. It must have been called something else before it was called income tax. I shall have to look that up. So there we are, the number 66 set from 1958 stroke 1959. I'll have to work out quite where that would have gone originally. And that is my newest buy, gents. That is going pride of place. I can't believe this. This is over 50 years old. Now, it doesn't have the crown on. There is one of these with a crown on, and that would be the 1953 coronation set. This is a little bit later, obviously, but it's quite chunky. It's chunkier than I thought. What an absolutely amazing set. So that, oh, I'll just put that in properly. I don't want to crease that. There we are, my number 66 set. Thanks for joining me. Take good care. I'll join you soon. Bye now, guys. Ta-da.